Assalamu alaikum to all of the participants, and hopefully your course is going good with the new episode or the new lesson, that is animate and inanimate nouns. Here is a very interesting example, can we say the postcard saw the mailman? So it's a very strange because postcard can't see. So all of the nouns, they can be either divided into animate or inanimate nouns. This is the first tip. Animate nouns refer to things that are alive, and inanimate nouns refer to things that are not alive. So this is a very simple definition, and it's quite easy to understand. Exercises there, you have to tell which of these is an animate or an inanimate noun. There is another example, like the dog wrote a best-selling novel. So, can a dog write a best-selling novel? No. It means, like all the animate nouns are there, we can further divide into human and non-human. A human noun, that is the person, he is the person. Like my teacher wrote a best-selling novel. That makes sense. And the other is non-human. Non-human means all the animals and birds. All these are the non-humans. Now there is a very interesting exercise. First of all, you have to tell the noun whether it is animate or inanimate, and if it is an animate noun, you have to decide whether it is human or it is non-human. This example is given, like chair is there, it is inanimate, and like pet. So what could be the pet? It's animate or inanimate? Yes, it's the animate. And it's human or inhuman? Yes, you can write it here. Then the next topic, it's also very interesting. This is the count and non-count nouns. They are also called as countable and uncountable. In other grammar books, they are also named like that. So there is an example: the hand, a hand, hands. So can we say can we say this like the hand, a hand, hands? Yes, it's correct. Okay. Some other examples are here: the idea, an idea, ideas, the tissue, a tissue, tissues. But what about these words? Can we say the dust, a dust, dusts, or the energy, an energy, energies? Okay. So at the very beginning of when we started this course, I told you when there is this asterisk sign, this one, it means there is some mistake. Either it is the grammatical mistake or some spelling mistakes are there, or there could be the mistake of subject verb agreement. It means it's not correct. Okay. So all of the nouns that we can easily count, these are the countables, and all of the nouns that we cannot count, these are the non-count nouns. Okay. So this is a quick tip here, according to each and every topic, some tips are given here, and these tips are also given at the end of the book. You can find it there. All the tips regarding all the chapters and all the topics, they are given at the same place at the end of the book. So if you can pluralize a noun in a sentence, it is functioning as a count noun. Okay, like you can either use s or es or some other way you can pluralize the noun. It means it's the countable or it's the count noun. Okay, and if you can't pluralize that word or that noun, it is non-count noun. Okay. So this is the exercise here. Test yourself. It's the 5.1. For each underlined noun in the sentence below, indicate if it is count. If it is count, you have to write C, and if it is non-count, you have to write NC. And you can take the help by making the plural of that sentence. Like this is, can we say, like in example number 3, his angers? Can we say? No. it means anger. It's the count or non-count. Yeah, so you have to write it NC here. So this is the way you can easily recognize all these nouns. And the other use, there is the use of much and many. Like when there is many, it means it is the count noun. For example, if he has many children, can we count the children? Yes, we can say he has 2 children, 3 children. Okay, but if we say this much time, can we say much times? Or can we say I have 1 time, I have 3 times, I have 3 times? We can't say this. So it is the non-count. Again, the same exercise is there. The step is there. You can read it. Tip number 3 is there. This is fewer, like with a noun, and less, that is with a noun, and it is a non-count noun. This is the other example, and you can do the practice here. Like the algebra dash was one of my worst subjects. What is the subjects? Subject is count or non-count. Like we can say subject, subjects, but we can't say algebra, algebras. Okay, then we can't say the smokes, or can we say? No. Yes, so then smoke, it is a NC, non-count. And you have also to write this much, many, fewer, less. You have to write all these words, and it is a practice of these words. Some of the other understanding is there. It is about sometimes the same noun is there, but we can write it as a count and also as a non-count, like countable and uncountable noun as it is used. Like this 50 number is there. The sugar that works best in this recipe is brown sugar. Like it means there are the other types of sugars also, like white sugar was there, brown sugar was also there, and we are suggesting that brown sugar that can work the best. So all these examples are here. Hopefully the lecture is clear to you, and again inshallah tomorrow we will do these proper and common nouns in the next lecture. And if there is some query, some question, you can contact me via WhatsApp, and all the all these sources are given in the description of the video. Please, if you like the video, like it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Thank you very much, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.